welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we've renovated our spare room and what we've done. Unfortunately I didn't take any video footage of what the room looked like before, but I have got some pictures which I'll insert in the next section and I'll just talk you through what it looked like beforehand. So before, the walls were a chocolate brown colour and we did have the feature wallpaper which was behind me in the first clip. We also had just a single light fixture with one bulb and a brown lampshade, and now we've swapped that out for a new light fitting which I'll show you. And then we also had a wooden curtain rail which we swapped out for a white one. So this is what the room is currently looking like. Got some new curtains there, the blackout curtains, and some new tie backs. Painted the three walls that were brown, white in colour to match the feature wall. And then the mirror that's just by the doorway is one that we had in our bedroom. So we pop that there with it being white, and we put a new door fixing on. So this is what the room's looking like now. And the two side tables were tables I found on a Facebook Marketplace site, and we basically sanded them down, painted them a chalk white and popped the new chrome handles on them. And then the bed was a bed we have from before. So I have my box of accessories. I'm now just going to take everything out, give it a dust and place it in its new home. This was a vase that my husband bought me. I'll pop that on the bedside table. And our waste bin with a cute little heart design. Little fake lavender plant here which I bought from our local bargain buy store, and it's got a little lavender spray, so I'm going to give that a little spray and pop it in place. And I'll keep the spray. Some cute little cat coasters that I got bought for my birthday, so I'm going to pop those out. And then I have another little sign that was bought for my birthday. So again, I'm just going to pop that out. I'm probably going to hang it on the wardrobe because I haven't got a hook at the moment. Got a packet of tissues. And the last thing is I've got a couple of little baskets. I'm just going to pop these in the very top drawer of each of the cabinets, so if anyone's staying they can pop anything they need to just inside. And that's my box all emptied, so I'm just going to move it out of the way and I'll show you the final bit of the room tour. So this is now what the room looks like. So as you come in, you've got the white mirror that we've got and a hook for any coats or jackets or robes, and then there's the first bedside table, got the cat coasters and my vase of flowers, and in the top drawer got a basket, and then the wardrobe's temporarily got my little cat sign on. I will leave down in the description links to as many things as I can that are in this room that I show you on this video. if they are still available. The waste bin in the corner and the grey curtains on the white pole. And then the bedspread is an old one that I had. And over this side, got the lamp with the little lavender plant and a cat coaster, and then the basket in the top drawer. And this is the light fixture, which as you can see gives a lot more light. So I'm just going to stand over in the window so you can see finally what it all looks like. That's what our spare bedroom now looks like, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It is one of the rooms we have decorated and renovated. There will be more videos like this to come on my channel. Please don't forget to give it a like if you did enjoy this video, and you can also subscribe up here and catch previous room videos just over here. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!